Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. We are still on hiatus, and as I told you, I'm going through some of my old videos and decided to upload them again. This is one of our very first signature glass of wine, and it is dated 2014. I was actually surprised that we had such old videos out there. Anyway, it's uploaded. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for keeping an eye on us. We'll be back soon.
And we're rolling.
Hey everybody, this is Jill with Jill for Today. The director's moving into the camera. Here he comes. Hello, director.
Hello.
Is he just too cute? You are. I don't know why you're not on camera more with me. I like it when you're here.
Thank you.
So it's Thursday. Now, director, what kind of a hair day am I having here?
You're having a good hair day.
It's a little different.
Yes, it is.
It's a little different. I'm trying to, kind of
You're a little different.
kind of get things spruced up. Anyway, so, this is just kind of a sit-down little coffee thing. Do you have anything you'd like to bring up? Bring
No,
up as an agenda
but
item?
tomorrow,
Yeah.
we're going to test drive and do a product review on our new West Bend Stir Crazy popcorn pop.
Popper. And on Saturday, tomorrow's Friday, so we're going to do popcorn. Yeah. We're going to do
Yeah.
a review. And I'm going to make caramel corn with that popcorn.
Wow.
He didn't know this was a surprise.
Hey,
So anyway, we're going to make popcorn with our
That's
new
right.
popcorn popper, and we'll do a review. And then we'll also be making popcorn, caramel corn. So we'll have that on probably tomorrow or Saturday.
tomorrow will be popcorn,
Yeah.
probably Saturday.
Caramel corn, yeah, okay. So we had flu shots yesterday. We went in and got our flu shots.
Yes.
And she really did a fabulous job.
I didn't even feel it.
No, she was really good. Now this morning when I got up my arm, I said, oh, okay, I had a flu shot. You didn't have that?
No.
Oh, it was, anyway, she did a great job. And we go to Kaiser. Kaiser has so much money that they actually have bandages.
Yeah, the bandages. They have their own bandages. They're blue, and they say "Thrive"
Thrive.
in big letters.
Yeah, that's what Kaiser's slogan is, just thrive.
Thrive.
So we had flu shots. Of course, we had the flu like a week and a half ago or something. So
2 weeks.
the horse was out of that barn door.
Yeah. But hopefully we'll be protected from other strains.
Well, my brother Tony, he lives in a different state than us. Now he tells me that they actually,
The state of total confusion.
you're kind of in the dark.
I know. I am kind of. I've been kind of in the dark for the last 38
You're
years.
kind of in the dark there. Anyway, he says that in different states they actually tweak the flu vaccines.
Well, that's because they get different strains of flu in different
That's
states.
what he said.
That's right.
And they just don't.
Okay, so we got our
does not
flu
fit all.
shots.
Yeah.
Got that done. And you had your physical, your yearly physical.
I did.
We have a wonderful doctor, and in Kaiser they give you a once a year free. Should I tell them it's Medicare? Well, they know you're that old.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, he gets a free
That
exam.
horse is out of the market. Yeah.
So anyway, he had his exam, and the doctor said he was just fine. He needs to take a little weight off, just a little.
Said lose weight and exercise more. I could have diagnosed that myself.
Yeah, you could have, but that's okay. Now it's official. I can't. I mean, I've been driving him crazy here for 3 years to get some of this off. So anyway, look how this is almost a surreal.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that. The way the
Yeah.
light's coming in, it's kind of cool. It's almost like we did it on purpose.
My life has been surreal for the last 38
Yeah,
years.
I know you keep bringing that up.
Why? What happened 38 years
No, I mean, the point is that you will not let me forget we've been together 39 years.
Yeah.
I'm beginning to get a little nervous.
Don't be.
No, okay. All right.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. So we're having dinner tonight with some friends.
Yes.
We're just kind of hanging out,
To
waiting to
our
go.
favorite
Oh,
Vietnamese
God, that food
restaurant.
is so good.
Mm.
Tell them what we love the best there.
Oh, the coconut prawns are just to die for. Their curry is great. I've never been, I'm a kind of meat and potatoes guy, but they make a wicked lemongrass tofu.
They do. It's great.
Yeah.
I mean, really, you don't
Really
even
like it. Yeah.
Of course, we make tofu here at the house, but it's nothing
Yeah.
like that. I
Of course,
don't
that
know how to
other
do it.
tofu, the tofu and what is it? Tofu and green beans or something?
Oh,
like
with
that.
the black bean sauce.
Yeah, that's
God,
great
that's
too.
good too. Yeah, they do. Anyway, so we're going there for dinner. We're
Yeah.
going to meet some friends, and we're having an early dinner. And then let's see what else I had on. Oh, God, speaking of dinner, I fixed the greatest chicken dish last night, and I'm going to put well, kind of a list of what I did. Wait, tell him.
It was epic.
It was
Epic.
what he said.
And I have to rave about the Brussels sprouts.
This
The
man's
Brussels sprouts were out of sight.
They were good.
They were out of sight. Of course, the little bacon crumbles didn't hurt anything,
Bacon.
but they were delicious.
They were. I did. I took the Brussels sprouts and I cleaned them, and I cut them in half, and then I put them in boiling water for 3 minutes. Plunged them in ice cold water to get them to quick cooking, and then I took some butter and some olive oil and got that going in a fry pan, and I sautéed those until they were, and then some bacon on there, a little salt and pepper. They were good.
And then there was that other side dish, one of my favorites in the whole world, mashed potatoes.
Yeah, they were good. You're almost standing there in the dark now, there,
I
Director.
know.
He's
Well,
been in the
it's
dark.
the lighting.
It is the lighting. Like I said,
It's getting darker here.
kind of
in
surreal.
Oregon.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, the chicken, I just started. It was it was a baseball game night. We watched the Giants, and
They
I was
got clobbered.
God, it was just awful. But that's okay. That's all right. We're gonna move forward. So I was like in a hurry to fix us a really good dinner. So I took chicken thighs, which I had defrosted, put them in a baking dish, then started throwing. I drizzled them with olive oil because they were skinless and boneless.
That's right.
They were, but you didn't know it after I was done with them.
I dated a girl who had skinless and boneless chicken thighs.
Oh my God, that's just awful. It's gonna be R-rated. Anyway, so it was chicken thighs, and I drizzled them with some olive oil, and then I sliced up thin onions, and then I had some capers in there, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, chopped garlic, sliced lemons.
I just figured out why I'm in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
That little square that shows where the camera's looking,
Yeah.
it's straight on your face.
Yeah, but see, you get a little of that. See
I
there?
know. It doesn't like
There, right
that
there.
camera hates me.
Right there. Anyway, there you are. There you are. Okay, there you are.
It's
So
not
anyway,
following.
so let me finish this chicken dish.
Okay.
So anyway, I got it all. Did I leave anything out? Onions, mushrooms. I had some mushrooms. I threw those in there. Speaking of mushrooms, anyway, we're getting on our
We
time
gotta
here.
get going.
So anyway, I baked it in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes, and it was
Perfect.
just
Moist,
great. Oh my God, it was
tasty.
good. And there's leftovers.
Yeah.
Oh baby. Okay.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah. Okay,
Ooh.
let's see here. Get a chicken Giants. The toilet's working. The toilet's
No
working.
leaking.
God, it's epic.
That's right. And there wasn't even any plumber's crack.
God, it was,
involved.
no, PC. Okay, so that's it for now. I think we've got it covered.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm loving it. You were here with me.
Oh yeah.
And I'm
the
talking so
highlight of my
fast.
day.
You can tell I'm animated because I'm so excited that you were here. What?
No, it was the highlight of my day. It was.
Okay. All right, folks. Here we go. Do it.
We bid you peace.
We want you to love your brothers and sisters, even if they're not siblings.
That's right.
And we want you to.
And even if they are like my brother and said, "I'll call," and then doesn't
nut
call.
job. The guy is a nut job.
Nice.
He's a brother.
He's a brother.
He's a
but
brother.
He's not all that reliable when it comes to maintaining contact.
All right, I'll give that to you. He's not a nut job. He's a nice man.
He is.
But
nice.
he is. He's very.
And he's very smart. And he's
like a
very
whip.
good at what he does.
And he does. But boy, you try to get that man to make a call home. Terrible. All right. So anyway, you love your siblings, even if it's that guy, and then pay it forward. Pay it forward.
Right. Save an animal. Eat some tofu.
God, he gets better at this every day. All right, folks. We'll see you later, and don't forget popcorn review. See you later, everybody. Bye bye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Somebody's got to shut off
Oh,
the
he's
camera.
shutting it off. Bye.